Good morning. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the Blueskysea B1M camera system on your motorbike. I've installed it quite easily on the Kawasaki Versys 650. I'll show you all the details. I connected the black cable, the ground cable, to the frame of the bike. The camera system has to be started when you start the bike. So you have to connect the red cable and the yellow cable to a power source that is started with the ignition of the bike. The best place I found was here, because I could find the power cable for the backlight of the bike. So I used this connector. I will show it to you later. Once the power connection is done, you have to secure the unit under the seat of the bike. I've placed mine this way so the ports are easily accessible. The SD card port and the USB port. Camera, it was quite easy, just under the top box, and I found a small gap for the cable here, so quite easy. The front camera, it was a little bit more complicated because I had to run the cables alongside the bike. I removed this panel and I ran the cable from the camera all around and zip tied it to the existing cables. So quite straightforward. What I tried to show you is that on both cameras you have this red arrow showing the right position for the camera for the video. And this means that you can just turn the camera to have the arrow up, and it's really easy. You just have to remove the camera from the support and you just turn the camera until it's upright, in the upright position. Very easy. It's a detail but important. So you can virtually put this camera in any position and it will be okay. So I told you I used a connector to connect the red and yellow cables from the camera to the power of the rear light, and so this is the kind of connector I used. It's a clips, so very easy. You just clip it on the wire and it makes a connection. It's sturdy. I had no problem and everything is working fine. So let's turn to the phone and the application that you need. The application is this one, the B1M Cam. I just typed in the search Blueskysea B1M and it is this one that's important. Let's talk about the connection to the phone, because it's a Wi-Fi camera setting. So when you turn on the ignition, you will hear beeps. You see 3 beeps. If you have several beeps, it probably means that you forgot to put in the SD card. This is exactly what happened with me. I forgot to put the SD card and it started to beep. Once it is on, you can see on the remote that it's already recording. Here you have another LED which would be green if the Wi-Fi connection is enabled with the phone. Let's do that now. On your phone you go to the Wi-Fi settings. I just got it. and you wait until the Wi-Fi appears, and you see it's the B1M. It is connecting automatically because I've set it up already. Once it is connected, you just launch the application. Here it is, and you push on enter dashcam. As you see, it is already in recording mode. You can set different frames. Only the forward camera, the backward camera, both of them, depending on which one you want in the bigger square. So this is the front camera and the back camera. It is slanted because the bike is slanted. So on the remote, as I said previously, you have here the fact that it is recording, the red light, and the green light means that there is a Wi-Fi connection active with the phone. If I stop the recording on the phone, stop recording, you can see that on the remote it's not recording anymore, but there is still a link with the phone. I will start the recording again, and the red light is coming back. You turn off the bike, you will get a beep from the unit. You see 3 beeps to say that it's disconnected, not active anymore. The app is disconnected on the phone, so everything works fine. I hope this video will help you. I guess it is the same connections for any bike, and so it's really easy. The harder thing to do was just to play with the cables and to put everything nice and easy in the bike. For the rest, it's really a walk in the park. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.